Hey guys, how's it going? How to see who viewed your profile LinkedIn on LinkedIn. So basically, you're gonna see it appearing to you right here. So since my account is new, so no one actually visited my account, but you get to see how many people visited your profile, and you get to see their name, their headlines, and they will see all of the information regarding those people, basically, right? But if you want to see, or if you want other people not to see your profile, or if you want to know how other people perceive you, you're gonna just go ahead right here to me and click on the settings gear, settings and privacy, basically, and you're gonna be able right here to click visibility. In the visibility, you will see right here profile viewing option, and this is what other people will see, which is anonymous LinkedIn member. So they get to see blurry photo, and they will not know who that person is. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.